Hey guys, it's 2. I'm a little bit hungover. If you watched my video yesterday, you know I had a rough night. Go watch it if you want. You don't have to. It's not that crazy. But my mom makes chapstick. She makes really awesome chapstick. And we are going to start a company selling chapstick as a family. And so we have all this chapstick over here. Nice thing about this is it's a lot less startup capital than fucking building Iron Man suits. So we're gonna do that as a family, and today I'm going to help her do some batches, and we're gonna get the batch really refined, and we're gonna make a couple today. I'm gonna do that, so I'm gonna be doing that right now. It's not very Iron Man-esque though, so I'm not gonna film it. I have to work today from 4 to 9, and I want to get the new Phalange Design done, so I really want to do attempt 2 on the hand and get that finished today. We'll see what I can get done. Hopefully, when I get back from work or before that, if work a little bit before and a little bit after, hopefully I'll get something Iron Man-esque to show you guys today. If not, we'll hit it hard tomorrow. Yeah. 4 batches of chapstick later. 4 batches. All right, guys. I got something to show you for sure. I've made a finger. I'm gonna have to come up with a different name for this video than that though, because I've already used that. Anyway, this right here is the finger. So this, you can tell, is a much more streamlined design. It's much simpler in like the way it goes together. It's harder because it's going to be harder to manufacture. I'm gonna have to cut these parts in with a lathe. You can tell, like if you look in here where these slide up and go into each other, those are gonna have to be like filed out or some shit like that. It's gonna be I really need a fucking mill. If I had a fucking mill, that'd be awesome. Anyway, let me show you how it looks when it works. So, joints on, go here, take this one, and we're going to pull it around, maybe. Oop. Maybe, there we go. That one goes that way, and then we'll get this one, pull it around, boom, there we go, and that's how it'll curl. There'll be gaps in here that form, and it'd be nice to have some kind of armor that would go around that, but let's take it one step at a time, guys. And then, yeah, it's pretty cool, huh? So that would be how it curls around. And then, obviously, remember, well, I'll show you in case you haven't seen this yet. But this joint right here comes, oops, literally just crashed. Let's try this again. All right, and we're back. So here's that one. So let's try running these again. So this one, it might do it again. Let's see what happens. Yep. Fuck, man. Alright, that's not going to work. So, I'm not going to be able to show it to you. It's just the fact that thing is, there's so much in there. There's literally the entire other hand, the other way I did the finger in that thing, because I just left it in there and I just deleted it. So, but it's like still in the file, and it's just too complicated. It's just not going to move right. So, I won't be able to do that. I mean, it's not a problem. Obviously, it could still be built and go together. I'm not going to build this one anyway, though. I'm gonna do it one more time on do a draft 3. So but I'll show you really quick again what it looks like here. So all of these, this gap, and then there would be another strut probably coming across here, and then another one over the front. I just didn't add them. So I just literally just wanted to do the most basic parts of this one. This might be done with the hand, because I kind of have the idea now, and I don't really need it to go do all the fingers. I mean, it's going to throw off my estimate on actually getting it, on how much it might cost to have it made. So maybe I'll do them all, I don't know. But this is, so anyway, this would be metal. This would all be covered in skin and metal. And then, when I say skin, I mean metal. Like, talking about exoskin, not human skin. Or animal skin. But yeah, that's how that goes together. And then there'll be a similar thing coming right off of here, off of this joint around for the thumb. Oh, I should show you. This is how it looks, by the way, with your hand in there. So if you're new to this channel and you haven't seen it with the hand in there, that's how it will look. And I'm looking at it right now, and it looks like it's a little bit fat. I didn't really do a whole lot of adjusting in there. But that's pretty easy to go in and I just change one sketch and it'll all fall in line. But just make this a little bit smaller in here. But it would be more narrow and fit a little tighter, and that's kind of how it'll work. Well, guys, we got the finger figured out at least. I think this will work. If I had a mill, this would work so much better, but mills are so expensive and I can't afford one. I want one. I've almost bought one before, but they're about $3,000 for like an old Bridgeport. This is just like not a CNC mill, it's just like a mill. I don't know, I could try to talk to him into it. He seems really adamant that he can't do this shit. but it's a fucking straight line, Tim. You can't draw a straight line on Cutting Machinist, are you? If you're watching this right now, figure your shit out. I don't know. I'm joking mostly. Yeah, so I think that's the way to do it. I mean, now we have 2 ideas on how to do it, right? So I have the first one, and then now I have the second one. So between one of those, we get something working, and then it's also an option. And probably what I'll do is I'll actually have both made, and then I'll have a backup in case one of the systems doesn't work. The other system will hopefully work. So I might do that as well. So tomorrow, I might finish up these fingers, but the sketch is being so wonky. You know what? I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm just gonna. When I get the quote, I'm just going to add 5 of those. It doesn't matter, the exact dimensions don't need to be right in order to get the quote. That's what I'll do. I'll multiply those finger pieces by 5, and then it'll give you 10 fingers when bringing the other ones, and that's what I'll do. That's how I'll get the quote accurately. Cool. So, yeah, so we're done with the hand. So now I get to start moving up the arm, and I have an idea for how I'm going to do this. Yeah, and then I still want to do that test of the lathe. I forgot today to go get the grinder from Tim, and he's went to work, so I wasn't able to get it. But I'm going to get it tomorrow, and I am going to try to grind out a piece and see if I can't work that lathe thing that I was telling you guys about and I was doing yesterday before I got really drunk. Anyway, yeah, so we're getting there. It's cool. I think this will be a really elegant way to do it. It'll be more manual work on my part. So pros and cons, right? But I think it'll be the best way to do this. It'll be really cool if it works. Yeah. All right, guys. Love you.